Hello guys, this is Ultra Pro Max. Today in this video, we'll show the 5 best cycling shoes for beginners on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Introducing the Zoll Predator MTB and indoor cycling shoes, which are an excellent choice for anyone looking for high quality, versatile shoes for both outdoor and indoor cycling. The shoe's bolt cleat adjustment scale provides precise measurements to boost your performance by increasing power drive transfer. Heavy-duty material ensures a long-lasting shoe life, and the rubber protection on the front of the shoe adds an extra layer of durability. The durable, breathable textile and anatomic closure eliminate hot spots and remove pressure from the instep. The treads pattern and curved anatomical sole provide improved walkability and a natural shoe-to-foot interface. Pros: great shoes, well made, very comfortable, and fits perfectly. The Venzo Bicycle men's road cycling riding shoes are an amazing combination of comfort and performance. They are versatile and perfect for road riding, commuting, touring, and spin class. The cleat part of the shoe is compatible with Lock Delta and every other cleat type on the market. The shoe features quick-drying super breathable mesh and synthetic upper with a textile lining and removable sock liner. They are light, fast-fitting, and removable. The cleats that come with the shoes are of high quality and features a 9-degree floating that ensures comfortable riding. Pros: quality is very good, works perfectly, very durable and comfortable. Pearl IZUMI Men's Quest Road Cycling Shoe is a high-performance cycling shoe for men that offers a strong closure with 3 supple straps that are easily adjustable while on the go. The shoe is compatible with both 2x3 bolt road cleats and SPD cleats, making it a versatile choice for cyclists. The exceptional design of the bonded mesh and heavily perforated upper provides all-day comfort and breathability, while the 1:1 composite power plate and carbon fiber forefoot inserts provide lightweight, stiffness, and durability. Additionally, the shoe features BioViz reflective elements for increased safety in low light conditions. Pros: a high-performance cycling shoe, comfortable and stylish, fits perfectly, looks amazing. The Dominator 7 SR17 Mega Mountain Bike shoe from Sidi are a must-have for off-road enthusiasts. The Microtech microfiber mesh upper is durable, water-repellent, and provides superior stability. The MTB RS17 nylon sole offers a firm grip, ensuring maximum power transfer to the pedals. The classic Sidi soft instep closure system combined with the caliper buckle and high-security Velcro ensures a snug and comfortable fit. These shoes are available in a range of colors and standard and mega men's sizing options. Pros: great quality shoe, works perfectly, water-repellent upper mesh. Cons: non-functional in wide sizes. Shimano SHRP3L cycling shoes offer an outstanding performance for riders who require versatility and comfort. With its one-piece construction, the shoe is lightweight and durable, and the Velcro closure provides an adjustable and secure fit. EVA midsole and rubber sole enhances pedaling efficiency and walking comfort, while the glass fiber-reinforced shank plate provide optimal sole rigidity. The non-slip replaceable heel tread and padlock heel construction cradle the heel for increased performance and comfort. With its clean aesthetics and increased stiffness, the SHRP3L is a game changer for any female rider who demands comfort and performance. Pros: double strap closure, versatile shoe, comfortable to use, lightweight, and durable. That's all for today guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon for regular updates, and I'll see you in the next video with another review.